children, today let's start with chapter number 9, basic features of India. So in this chapter, we will study about some basic features of India, like write the landform which is found in these states. After completing the chapter, you have to do this at your home. Now let's study about India and its location. So India lies in the north hemisphere in the continent of Asia. ये सेवेंथ लार्जेस्ट कंट्री है पॉपुलेशन वाइज क्या है ये आपकी सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट है. वी हैव नेबरिंग कंट्री नेपाल भूटान उत्तर प्रदेश म्यांमार चाइना पाकिस्तान. पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान नेपाल चाइना भूटान बांग्लादेश म्यांमार और श्रीलंका ये क्या है इसकी नेबरिंग कंट्री. सो लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट द फिजिकल फीचर्स. वी हैव नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स प्लेन्स डेजर्ट्स आइसलैंड. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट landforms in India like mountain, ranges, plateau, desert, and these forms the physical feature. India is peninsula, and peninsula is a land which is surrounded by water on three sides. And land on one side, the peninsula is surrounded by Himalayan mountain ranges in the north, Bay of Bengal in the east, and Arabian Sea in the west. और जो इंडियन ओशन है वो कहाँ लाई करता है? साउथ. The Himalaya is a mountain range that runs west to east, right? With the high peak and deep valleys. It is the source of many perennial river. Ganga, Yamuna and Indus, ये important perennial river है इंडिया की. And these rivers are snow-fed and thus have water throughout the year. Right? A vast stretch of even land known as Northern Plain lies in the south of Himalayan range. Deccan Plateau है वो कहाँ lie करता है? In the peninsular part of India. ये rocky area है and it is raised level land. Then the coastal plains are the vast stretch plains along the Arabian Sea in the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. और जो थार डेजर्ट है वो ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट है जो नॉर्थ वेस्ट रीजन में लाई करता है. ओनली प्लांट्स लाइक डेट palms they are cacti, they grow here. Now India is group of island on eastern and the western sides of the mainland. An island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. Like we have Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. ये दो ग्रुप ऑफ आइसलैंड है आपके इंडिया. लक्षद्वीप जो है वो आपका अरेबियन सी में, अंडमान एंड निकोबार कहाँ लाई करता है? बे ऑफ बंगाल. So this is the political division. Our country is so big, so we have divided into different states and the capital. So it is known as political region. We have states and union territory. We have 28 states and 8 UT. और न्यू दिल्ली इट्स द नेशनल कैपिटल टेरिटरी. इसको हम यूनियन टेरिटरी भी कहते हैं. So let's see the different union territory like we have Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep and Pondicherry. These are the different union territory that we see over. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.